Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Rinse 2 cups sushi rice until water runs clear, using cool water and gentle agitation. This removes excess starch for tender grains. Drain and add 5 cups water to the rice, bring to a boil, then cover and simmer for 18 minutes, then let rest 10 minutes off heat. While rice rests, heat 1/4 cup rice vinegar with 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon salt until dissolved. Fold seasoning gently into rice with a rice paddle. Fan to cool and achieve glossy, slightly sticky grains ready for rolling or nigiri. Place a sheet of nori about 7 by 8 inches on a 12-inch bamboo mat with shiny side down. Keep a small bowl of water to wet fingers. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice, leaving a 3/5-inch border at the top edge to seal. Press gently to compact without crushing. Arrange fillings such as 4 Oz sliced fish, 1/2 avocado, cucumber strips, and a smear of wasabi near the edge, then lift the mat and roll firmly, sealing with a little water on the top border. Slice with a sharp, wet knife. Plan a small sushi garden to supply herbs and vegetables. Plant shiso, scallions, cucumbers, and tomatoes near your kitchen for convenience. Tomatoes and shiso need 6 hours of sun and 12-inch spacing to develop flavor and airflow. Cucumbers prefer trellising to save space. Prepare planting beds by adding 2 inches compost and loosening 6 inches of topsoil for good drainage and root growth. Start seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Harden off seedlings, and transplant outdoors only after danger of frost has passed to ensure survival and strong harvests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.